This is the formula of the linear approximation. I think this formula is quite intuitive. Assume this is a function f(x), and we choose a point C and draw a tangent line at this point. And the linear approximation is just the function of this tangent line. So we use this tangent line to approximate this function. In part A, the function f(x) is the square root of x. We choose c equals 100 since it's very easy to calculate the square root of 100, and also it is very close to 101.